Hi guys, it's me again, Ryan. Today I'll be doing another demo review on these direct loader magazines, which is from the Crossfight series. As you can see here, CB-48 direct loader magazines, and here you have Takaratomi logo, Gangan logo, B-daman logo, indicator of the Crossfight series logo, and here's the B-daman logo, and there's these actual visual showing loading dials using the direct loader, doing its rapid fire shots, and showing you that you can turn it towards the upper side while facing up, or you can put it down like facing down to sort of pick up the marble or B-daman, and it will directly load it into the core, which is the loading core here. So you guys know that at the back of these magazines, they're also indicating that there is two for the, if I'm not mistaken, for the control, I think, and there the rapid fire, which is 9, so it's suitable for the rapid fire. And you can also see how it's done. Load, it's said here, so it's already loaded into the B-daman. And you can even use the white magazines, which is the head part, to connect to this direct loader. And that's basically what it is. Also showing how good is this direct loader compared to the rest of the magazines there is available for the Crossfight series, such as the Tornado, some of these other magazines. And let's just show you the notice, the warning, what not to do to the opponents while shooting your B-daman, and some of the info like telephones, and there's the barcode with the Takaratomi official website. Let's open up, and here's the inside of showing you how to assemble it and the parts and how you connect it to the B-daman. Let's get straight to the content, which I managed to sort of prepare to unseal it so that I can open up. So basically this is the actual content of the direct loader. There are two pieces of these, and including one blue mouth of this direct loader. So I just need the cutter, which I'm using the scissor. It just work fine. Okay, here's the part that you basically have to combine it. So in order to do so, just put it like that. B-daman. First I'll be using Drusian, but in a way I'm using the spin core, so it's like a spin Drusian, but it looks cool with the blue translucent along with the blue with the direct loader. It looks pretty cool. And the same thing again, you can do it like that, all around. Looks cool. Like that. Hold the B-daman right there, load there, fast, and we can do that, and lazy, do that, and then that, shoot. This is going to be spin core. I'm sure you can see that. Like that. So you can tell it's cool. And the other last one I'm gonna use on my Sonic Carbon, which is the ES part from my Sonic business stabilizer is appropriate. Let me show you why. For this part, I use stabilizer to stabilize it. That. And then put the direct laser in, that to do the rapid fire shot. So basically, okay, like that as well. And then you do the fire shot like that. Like that. Here's the side view. How it's done. Can do it like that. So it's pretty cool, pretty nice. I like the whole function of it. And so far, I like it. Love it. If it's for me, I still stick back to how it looks without this, and with everything that's bluish, it looks just nice. Along with without this part, but I'm gonna put back the cardboard piece, which is, let me check. If you want much better control, you can use stabilizer as well. In a way, it's good. Like that. And I love it. In every inch, it looks pretty cool. For today, on the direct loader, I'm Brian, signing off. Bye.